This one does not get a lot of attention from many SEOs, but as far as possible, there should not be any broken links on any page of your website. It's essential that every page of your site link to several high authority and very relevant external web pages. But over time, sites die, pages are moved, and sites are restructured. So, the page you link to may move or even just disappear. Broken links are natural and are bound to occur over time. But a page that has a lot of broken links does not provide a good user experience, and it's a clear sign that the page is not being actively maintained. So, pages with a lot of broken links tend to fall in the rankings. You can find the broken links, if any, on your site using Google Search Console or Webmaster Tools. Let me log into my Webmaster Tools account and pull up this data for a test site. I am now in my Google Webmaster Tools account. You will need to choose the site for which you want to check broken links. And from the dashboard, you will want to click on Crawl and click on the link Crawl Errors. Scroll down and you will see this section URL Errors. Underneath this, you will see this tab Not Found. If there are any broken links on your site, the number of broken links will be displayed here. Right now, this site, a test site, has 6 broken links. Let me click on this tab, and on scrolling down, there is this list of broken links. If you click on any of these, you will see the link that is pointing to a non-existing page. Let me click on this one. Up here, the broken link will be displayed. And if you click on this tab, you will see a list of all of the pages on your site that are linking to that page that has either moved or does not exist anymore. You will need to fix the link on all of these pages you will see in this list here. Every few months, you will want to run this check and see if your site has any broken links.